Still haven't filled out the FAFSA? Good news. At UW-Stout, it's never too late to complete the federal application for federal student aid. Let's talk about why you should apply and what's waiting for you. Here's the deal. The FAFSA stays open for a long time, and at UW-Stout, there are no strict deadlines to apply for aid. But you should file as soon as you can to maximize your opportunities to qualify for grants, work study, and federal loans. Even if you're confident in your ability to pay for college, life happens. Having a FAFSA on file allows for more immediate distribution of funds if your financial situation changes. Again, it's free. Only takes about 30 minutes to complete and does not impact taxes or credit scores. It does not involve any credit check or reporting to credit bureaus. And don't forget, you need to fill out the FAFSA every single year. Starting now sets you up for success next year too. It's never too late to take control of your college cost. Whether you're just getting started or already a UW-Stout student, our financial aid office is ready to help you make the most of your options. Reach out to us today and let's get that FAFSA done together.